Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is all of my birds. Why did I talk like that? I don't know. Uh, I'll show you my birds later, but I wanted to show you one thing. This thing was that, uh, yeah, the new Palladarium update. Let's go. It is going. It is doing very good right now. You can see the filtration is blasting right now. The plants, the rocks, including the fish, they are more active now. Actually, they are more active now. As soon as I come near them, they'll run off. I'll see I can find one for you. I don't see right now. Okay, well, I saw one thing right there. Okay, well, I'll show you them next time. I can't find them. And let's go to that enclosure. And boom, we are right here. Let me open this gate, I'll be back. I'm back in the bird's cage. I'm currently sitting outside, but these are my birds. There is actually 3 budgies, 1 single finch right there, you can see, and 2 quail. What type of this? I think so. They are white quail. I think so. See. They're stretching their wings right now. You can see the birds. I brought some coriander for them because they love coriander. You see this? They'll just come and run. They'll just eat it. And they don't want to eat in front of me. There you go. They are eating like that. The budgies also love coriander. You'll see in few seconds they'll come down running and eat them. You can see that blue one trying to come down. Oh, see, here is the finch. Right there. And this is my, what you can say, not a aviary type, a small cage. It is actually a very large cage. It is like 8 feet by 5 feet. It's a big cage. I can put a lot more of birds. You can see that. Wow, finch trying to eat that coriander. Right there, 2 budgies. I actually need to get a single finch and a bird also, but that will be for a later day. You can see the right there. This quail. And also I have to clean the bottom. It is very dirty. It's okay. And yeah, this is my cage. It is very large actually. You can see from the inside. I'll show you. Yeah, right there. You can see the top. The nesting boxes also are there. There are around 8 to 10 nesting boxes. Nice wooden ceiling. Actually, on top of that wood there is plastic. Plastic means plastic sheet plastic to prevent the rain to come in. See, there is this mesh outside. Sorry for the disturbance backside. Okay, I can talk now. There is actually a railway railway track just opposite to my house. You can see right there. And yeah, these are my birds. You can see 2 quails, some birds. I actually need to get more birds, and actually I built this enclosure by myself, and my grandpa helped me. You can see. Ignore that mess over that side after, and I have painted white. You can see this. It's literally a house shape. From outside it doesn't look nice, but inside it is very nice. You can see the quail. As I walked far, they came and started eating. I'll show you. Yeah, right there. As I closed the door, they came and started eating. See the finch. You can see the finch right there. Yeah. And actually these are my birds. there will be another video about my mini pond. Uh, Mini pond, yeah, next to my large turtle enclosure. And the next video will be about the turtle enclosure. And this is my birds. Actually, I'm planning to get some more birds, some different unique birds, not the same species I already have. I need to get. You can hear the quail. And this is a hint for the next video. Let's go in, I'll show you some more things. We are inside now. There is nothing much going on. All the fish are healthy, all the tanks are looking great. You can see this paludarium. Actually, I added this plant. I brought plant for that setup. I had this little shoot coming out. I just threw it in there, and it is now blooming like anything. The plants. This is actually around 6 to 8 months old. Actually, more than that. These plants in tanks, and this one. This is a piece of garbage. I need to take it down, and you can see the betta in the last video I couldn't show, and he ran away. And this is also a mini pond actually. I actually recently set it up a few months, not a month. It has been around 1.5 months. There are two aloe veras. The same concept actually, but in a but there is duckweed, vines, driftwood, and this plant. I don't know the name of this plant. And there is a cactus right here. All the things are doing really good. And meet you in the next video. If you want to check out my Instagram, it is at Rajat_Patel. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.